Today in this video I will show you some of the transducers and sensors that can be designed or simulated using COMSOL multiphysics software. So here this is the hydrophone used for sonar application. Then there is a surface acoustic wave gas sensors whose resonance frequency can be modeled in the COMSOL software. You see that there is an interdigitated transducer etched into a piezoelectric substrate. Then we have electromagnetic acoustic transducer that can be used for electrically conducting material where contact testing is not possible. It works on the principle of Lorentz forces and static B field and eddy currents that are generated due to acoustic waves. As soon as the acoustic waves are transmitted to a conducting material, it propagates into a shear waves and a displacement on the membrane take place. Similarly, we have example of a brains or banknote processing system where any error or are detected by acoustic sensors and is used accordingly for verifying adherence in the fitness requirement. You see the distorted magnetic waves lines in that figure. Then we have an ultrasonic car parking sensor. This example is not only the multi-physics example, but it is also a multi-method example, because the COMSOL software not only provides the analysis of FEM but also provides the ray tracing as a special feature. For this example, ray tracing is the geometric dimension of the analysis system is very large. In that case, the wave frequency is very small as compared to the geometric dimension on which the model analysis is carried out. In that case, ray tracing is used such that the analysis is combined with the FEM models analysis. You see that we have other. You get an idea how to use the COMSOL software for various examples.